Hey guys, it's Ash again. In today's video, we're going to go over how to use the new live search feature for Article Fiesta. It's really going to help you dominate the search results page. It is a very powerful feature that I'm sure you're all going to love, and I'm looking forward to showing you it. So if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you will see how to use it, see how to get in your blog, and see how to rank really highly. So let me just change the camera. There we go. And let's jump in. So first thing of all, let's find the latest technology news. There we go. And jump on news. So Alibaba. Yeah, so it looks like the latest news today is that Alibaba has unveiled a ChatGPT rival. Came out 5 hours ago, so this is super new. Let's just check what would happen if I was to use ChatGPT to find out about that. So can you tell me about the new ChatGPT rival from Alibaba? And at the same time, I'm going to copy that into my coffee buffer because that's probably going to be my keyword. So I'm clearly not logged into my Plus account, so this is going to be a bit slower than normal, but as you can see, it's telling you that it's cut off in 2021, and we're obviously asking for a story that's 2 years newer. So ChatGPT is obviously going to struggle with that. What's Alamy? When did Alamy release? Is this the new one? Does it know about what's up to date? Released in 2016, so that is 7 years old. We do not want to be writing articles about something that's 7 years old because that's just going to make us look crap. And we're not about that. We're about having high quality articles. So instead of Googling for latest news, let's Google for Article Fiesta. Scroll down past my things, and here we go with the top search result. So I will log into Article Fiesta here, and I'll be creating a new article today. If you remember, I stuck in my copy buffer the new ChatGPT rival from Alibaba. This account I don't think it's got any blogs. I'm not going to bother with a title because I'll just let it make it for me. So now in the advanced settings, so this cool button here, we've got this mode option. In here, we've got the choice of live data for search or live data from news. In this example, we're going to be using live data from news because, I mean, the story only came out 5 hours ago, so it's going to be all over the news, and it's the best place to get it. I'm going to stick with royalty-free images. I'm not going to bother with a Google document, and I want the outbound links. I'll keep the power word, and I will keep the FAQ section as well. So I will click that. That will start making in the background. Let's look for a topic. Give me a topic from the last 3 months. I can't think of something. Let's so another good example would be like affiliate marketing. So if I was going to run an affiliate marketing scheme, what's a product that I could look at? Actually, I'm not logged in on this account to go to like ClickBank or something. But another great thing that we could do, can you search Google News for stuff that's older? Sort by date, I want something from a year ago. Wow. LinkedIn released a new thing. Oh, that's cool. But the point is that if we were to pick something else that we wanted to talk about, that was, say, I wanted to compare X product to Y product, or I just wanted to promote X product, that'd be a great time to use the search data. Or even if we wanted to talk about the latest TVs, for example, let's talk about the best TVs of 2023. So if I was to do this, should I do Samsung TVs? Yeah, we'll stick with that. But if I was to do this using the standard article creation method, I'd be bound by the same rules as this. So, in fact, I know there's a new 7 series processor for Ryzen that's come out. It is news, but in fact, tell me We'll talk about last generation actually. The X5, X 5600 is 5600 or 5800 processor. So this is probably more new than ChatGPT knows about. Yeah, so 5800 XD. So it says it doesn't exist. I could write an article about the power of AMD's. So I could do live data from search here. And again, if I was to click create article from this would give me something that's really new. I could talk about it. I could run affiliate offers against it. Whereas if I was to listen to ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to talk about, it's close, like the 5800 is a processor that AMD offer, but the 5800 X3D is, for everyone's reference, like a super gaming processor. So it's got onboard assisted, or not assisted, higher cache, basically, which means rather than having to hit RAM, it can go much quicker and then cache things and then play games faster. You don't need to know that, but it just tells you that as much as AMD doesn't, ChatGPT doesn't know about it, we can still write an article about it because we can use the new news or live search feature. And the same thing would happen if you're running affiliate offers. It's quite often that you're running an affiliate offer for something that's new. It's not in the up to 2021 database of ChatGPT. So it makes a lot of sense for us to have these up-to-date results. And coming soon, there'll be more stuff on top of that, but I can't talk about that just yet. But for now, I'm just going to talk about these search result things. So if I jump back here, you'll notice that this is finished writing. It will take longer to create these types of articles because obviously it's got to go look at the news, find out what's going on. So here we go. We've got a wonderful high AI image at the top, talking about chatbot technology. We've got Alibaba, ChatGPT. I guess that's probably the owner of Alibaba, if I had to guess. Oh no, that's the name of the new AI. I don't even know what it's called, but it's obviously picked up what's in the news because it's got the correct name of it. Here's a little thing that's going to encourage me to click through. And this doesn't get published, but this gives you an example of what's going to be in it. It talks about who's developed it, what makes it different from other AI chatbots, all the things that are going to absolutely rank really well. Again, rather than talking about Ali Me, I think it was that ChatGPT said, yeah, so Ali Me, the old one, it's talking about the new one. This is the thing that's just come out, how it's positioned to be a top ChatGPT competitor. You'll notice that it says, according to a report by CNET, blah, 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 is an AI model that can communicate with. If I click that CNET link, you'll see, once we get past that cookie thing, this links to the ChatGPT rival thing that only came out, yesterday, but it's American time, so I'm in the UK. And here, according to Bloomberg, they've invested heavily in AI technology. That link again will work. Oh my god, the amount of cookie warnings that you get in England is ridiculous. So again, they've entered the thing. You'll notice that it was able to read it even though we can't read it. According to a report by The Independent. So again, all these are really high quality outbound links that talk about the new thing from Alibaba, that blah, 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 blah. I don't need to read this article, it's been pulled in. Another report from Barron's. You can see that all of this article is sourced from external things. It's got really high quality, brand new, up-to-date things. It's absolutely going to smash it. It's brilliant. This is exactly what you want to rank in Google. This can sit you in Google News even. This article only came out, or this subject only dropped 5 hours ago. No, I'm on I'm on a free account. But yeah, so what more could you want? Hopefully, I guess if we go and check what did we write our other article about? So this is talking about AMD's sorry, 5800 X3D, a potent blend of power and efficiency, which is very true. There you go, high quality picture of a processor. You'll notice that it's picked up the correct things. It's to do with gaming. I didn't say specifically gaming, but when I explained to you, it's about gaming. The 3D stacked L3 cache, that again is the big feature of this. Thermals, for your reference, because it's got that stacked cache, the thermals are the issue with this processor, but it's worth buying if you're into processors. But it's part of the deeper knowledge that they've obviously come up with. So it's got an unmatched 3D stack, blah 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 blah. Again, huge article. Again, I've got an FAQ section in here. That again is just because I'm on a free account. Like, you won't have that. There you go. It's talking about it being a powerful gaming processor. It's got up to 26% more gaming performance than the previous generation. Let's fact check that. X3D. Let's just go straight with the 26% more gaming performance, shall we? Because that shows up in Google, then I know that's legitimate. That's against a thingy. Yeah, 26% faster. Oh, that's against Intel's. But yeah. Ultimately, it's all very well sourced. It all comes from legitimate things. Again, I told it to include external links. I could have chosen not to include external links. But yeah, as per the review, it did look on this Hardware Times website. I'm pretty sure if... Yeah. I mean, it's found it. There we go. There we go. Under 720 workloads, draws just 56 watts of power. And drew only 56 watts of power in gaming workloads at 720p. Like, this article is dynamite. It's absolutely amazing. Links out to the correct things. It's got pictures of computers. It's got pros. It's got cons. It's got unordered lists. Sorry, it's got the Q&As. The thing that if I drop into the edit mode, that you will notice is actually at the bottom of this article. There's a script here. That is an FAQ schema script. That is absolute dynamite for you getting the snippet on Google. So quite often Google have a who can benefit more from the power of the blah 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 blah. If I searched for, what is it, Ryzen 5800 X3D, so you see these things here. Is it still good? Is it blah 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 blah? One of those questions might be, what makes the blah 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 a great gaming processor? And because it features a 3D stacked L3 cache. Like, that's what you want. And then on that little thing there, it's going to have a link to your website. Like, this is absolutely dynamite. And again, the article, thanks for reading, happy gaming. It's so on point. It's so well thought through. It's amazing. Like, you start using this on your website, your stats are just going to go through the roof. Right, anyway, that's the new feature. I hope you like it. I'm looking forward to everyone's feedback. There's obviously going to be a ton of people saying, yes, this is great. Can we tweak one thing here? And absolutely. Like, this is the first iteration. It only gets better from here, boys and girls. I'm so excited by this. But yeah, drop me a message and look forward to catching up with you in the future. See you soon.